don't have paminta friends.
Like nanlalaip?
No. Paminta is
Like, it's like pamen.
Pamen. Like they're actually gay,
they're
but
gay.
they're closeted.
Oh, I didn't know this term.
And tag 3 friends.
Oh,
I can't think of anyone. I think now kasi it's the world is more I mean, of course we could always use more, but like, the world is more forgiving now.
Mm-hmm.
Na parang
and
it's easier to come out.
Yeah, I've had, they're ano na now.
They're out na.
They're out na now.
Or yung hindi ko rin kasi alam kasi merong iba na parang ano ba talaga? Even I'm confused. Like, even I don't know. Kasi when you say pamenta, chances are you already know na nagpapalalaki lang.
Yeah.
Or you suspect. Not necessarily, Of course. Of course. I mean, that's the whole point nga, diba? They're hiding it. So, obviously, you're not sure.
Yeah.
Kasi if you were sure, then I guess they're not considered
I'm gonna lip somebody. You try to figure out if...
Do I know this person? Do I know this person?
You probably don't.
Yeah.
Diba? But like, there are times naman when I'm like, I don't think so.
I hate being left out.
Well,
we don't know.
Even you don't know, diba?
Me naman.
Sorry, one more.
Yes.
Yun,
Hindi rin pero alam mo yung, kasi sa akin, when it comes to that, parang benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
You say that you're not.
Yeah.
Kasi iba, they don't say either way. Pero kasi yung dalawang examples mo, they say that they're not.
Yeah.
So,
and then, okay.
So you kind of like, okay.
Diba?
Sa akin kasi if it's so upfront na, no, I'm not. Then I'm thinking, baka naman hindi.
Yeah. Me naman, the people I have in mind after college, they were pretty much okay. Yeah.
Like you're never mind.
Like what?
May nakwento ko kasi na, you had a friend before na pa, di ba? Yeah. Joti says, adult slumbook question. Ito so simple. Pero it's so like...
Hard to answer?
Perfect.
Oh, okay.
Hindi, sorry. Mamaya na. That's the top na lang.
Sige.
Okay.
Chenong says, yung pagkaka-formulate ng question, it's a series of questions.
Alright.
So yung una, nakalagay doon, adult slumbook questions. Nakalagay, tell me what you want. So sasagot ka.
What do you really want?
Tapos yung next, no, what you really want. Tapos sa ilalim nun may tatlo, I wanna blank, I wanna blank, I wanna blank, blank, blank. So, tell me what you want. What you really want. I wanna really wanna take a take.
Pwede, I like it.
Jazzy says, adult slumbook questions. Medyo masakit to for some. For single ladies, how many times have you attended a wedding as a bridesmaid?
Oh, never.
No.
For single ladies, so you have to be like single pa now.
Have you never been a bridesmaid?
Never.
Never?
Well, you're young pa kasi, so I feel like...
Sa bagay.
I feel like you're not in that stage
Just
yet
attended.
where all of your friends
Not
are
yet,
getting married.
Chenong says, this is so difficult. Adult slumbook questions. Define your defining moment.
Oh.
That one moment in your life na parang you feel it defines you as a person. Hirap, no? It really makes you think, Kasi you think of the big ones.
Meron ka kasing defining moment in your career.
Yeah, there's so many defining moments talaga.
Overall.
Like, overall.
Let's say you have a defining moment sa career. You have a defining moment sa personal. You have a defining moment sa